SKALE Network is a block challenge that's built into a blockchain platform. It helps with account scaling to meet the requirements of applications on a global mesh network. It takes up finance, entertainment, property rights, and data security projects. It also helps with off-chain computing by operating as a sidechain that plugs into the Ethereum blockchain. Yet, it does not rely on Ethereum for its operation like other sidechains. It also helps with transaction speed and security when scaling up apps. It's a blockchain-based platform that will help with an increasing demand for global transactional applications from people who are not willing to compromise on the quality of transactions, which is a high priority. It helps with the processing speed of the transactions, which is more than 500 transactions per second, which is suitable for gaming, e-commerce, entertainment, and finance. The blockchains of SKALE and Ethereum are inextricably linked. They constitute a formidable layer 1 solution when used together. As a result of this dominance, a great number of other solutions have begun to construct bridges between themselves and Ethereum. These solutions were developed expressly to resolve particular, specialized issues. SKALE and Ethereum are contributing to the ecosystem by assisting it in overcoming these challenges and drawing in millions of new users. The proof-of-stake (POS) algorithm is used in the blockchain. It is used in the P2P system and helps increase security, which is a problem for Bitcoin. Its secure mode increases its speed from 100 or 250 transactions per second to approximately 500 transactions per second within the next 3 years. SKALE Network. SKALE Network is a network to provide a balance between on-chain and off-chain computing. The off-chain computing is implemented through sidechains. It uses the proof-of-stake protocol to help with consensus calculation and makes it fast and secure. SKALE will utilize the Charmian triplet technique to help create smart contracts for applications not meant for the Ethereum blockchain. It will help with a non-custodial solution for transactions, and it'll also help with a proof-of-work algorithm, which helps with the creation of sidechains. From an economic point of view, SKALE Network is an incentive-driven platform that allows earning income by running and securing the network. It will also provide an opportunity for investors who want to invest in SKALE tokens. It will allow them to increase their investment through rewards for operating and securing the network. Independent blockchain networks incorporated into the Ethereum platform can be called flexible sidechains. These sidechains allow users to define their security measures and can be adapted to meet the requirements of a decentralized application, dApp. A potential dApp developer can modify the parameters of their sidechains by selecting the chain size, consensus protocol, virtual server, and parent blockchain they want for their sidechains. The SKALE Manager will automatically assign 16 virtualized subnodes and either a full or fractional core node after a user has finished customizing the settings for their sidechain. Users can customize the settings for their dApps by selecting the appropriate parent blockchain, consensus protocol, and security protocol, respectively. By giving developers access to low-cost services and tools, the SKALE Network contributes to the Ethereum ecosystem's growth. Its technological advancements have received support from prominent investors in the industry. The goal of its developers is to encourage the widespread adoption of blockchain-based systems and decentralization. The SKALE network provides a safe and reliable method for validating transactions and tokens by employing a pool validation model. The network supports compatibility with ERC-20-based platforms on the back end. Delegators are also granted the ability to use a private key and store tokens in a wallet of their choosing, thanks to this feature. It is anticipated that the price of SKALE Network will reach an all-time high in the year 2031. The lowest price is $0.044759, while the highest is expected to be paid at $2.19. In addition to this, various market analysts and influential people have provided forecasts on its price. SKALE is expected to reach 5 cents by 2020 and $0.1 by 2022, according to projections made by Jacob Cryptoberry. According to the forecasts of other industry experts, such as Tyler Murray, the price will rise to between $70 and $73 by 2025. The ecosystem surrounding Ethereum is currently dealing with a significant obstacle. this must be scaled up. Otherwise, it will fall into obscurity. Although solutions at the second layer are beneficial, they will only be useful if they are supported by a strong foundation and have access to businesses that can meet their needs. For example, POS is already being implemented into multiple types of dApps, but it only takes one or two bad actors to cause many blockchain applications to crash. Through Scale and other technologies, the Ethereum world will have access to an important layer of security and security features needed for all dApps on Ethereum. SKALE Network intends to reduce congestion. The Ethereum network relies on miners to verify and confirm transactions. As a result, the more miners are included in confirmation and verification, the longer it will take. This has already started to create problems with scalability. A lack of consensus also allows small groups or pools of miners to have too much influence over larger aspects of the blockchain. The addition of the SKALE network to Ethereum will help solve these issues. SKALE network can be easily integrated with other protocols. SKALE will also work with Ethereum as a side chain, but it can also integrate with other protocols and platforms. The company has already announced that it will integrate with Polkadot, another blockchain protocol. This will bring a cross-chain feature that works through interconnection and cooperation between multiple chains. It has also been stated that the platform will be able to integrate and operate on many projects and platforms. SKALE also has high levels of scalability that can be used as a second-layer protocol. It also allows a significant amount of data to be stored on the blockchain and gives users the autonomy to determine whether they want to run consensus algorithms. Ethereum's quality depends on its ability to be scalable and useful in the current market. Solutions such as sharding and POS are currently being developed and will soon be added to Ethereum's main chain. SKALE Network includes blockchain security. SKALE is a side chain that uses POS rather than POW. It will allow Ethereum to scale and will be useful because it reduces congestion of the network and allows users to make multiple transactions at once. The SKALE network provides a unique business model based on its reward system, which will help create an incentive platform for its developers and operations. This same system can be used to bridge networks that are developed on different blockchain platforms or platforms. The SKALE network can add quite a bit of security regarding transaction verification and confirmation. Today, there is an issue of a large number of transactions being processed by certain areas. The data that the SKALE network generates is collected through individual nodes and distributed in sets. This process is done so that all nodes can reach a consensus, increasing the overall security features and preventing attacks through Sybil attacks. Conclusion. The SKALE network will allow the Ethereum ecosystem to grow and become more useful. Its security features will also thrive as it works with a consensus mechanism that ensures all nodes agree on the blocks being created. This will increase the security of all dApps connected to the network, significantly reducing attack vectors and improving overall platform speeds. This is possible because blockchain technology provides a decentralized system for all information to be recorded, accessed by participants, and distributed across different network parts.